Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about what you can do if your mobile data is not working in your device Samsung Z Fold. So if you're facing any kind of slow network speed problem or mobile data problem, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how can you get your mobile data worked.